I got a question for you guys. We have the student, her name is Anna. Anna is doing CELPIP. This is her first attempt, all right? This is what she provided for her first assessment. Here's the question, and here's the answer, okay? I want you guys to check it out. Once again, you can pause the video here to read the question, and then look at her answer. This is what she has done, and she thinks she's ready for the exam. She thinks she'll get a good score, and most people need a 9 or more, right? I want you guys to tell me what you think she is going to score. Look at her task response, grammar, vocabulary, and overall structure. Let me know in the comments what you think she's going to get. We're going to make multiple parts of this video, and we're going to make this writing better and better in each video. We're going to track Anna's journey, and every time our tutors are helping her, she's going to rewrite this writing and present it again. I'm going to show it on YouTube again. We're going to make it a series, and we'll ensure that Anna's writing reaches a 10 plus in CELPIP as these parts go along, as Anna takes our classes. She's pretty much doing it every day now. So I'll keep you guys posted, and this is going to be an exciting journey that we'll follow for one student like Anna. I'm hoping to get her speaking as well if she consents to that. But for now, tell me in the comment section what you think Anna will score based on her writing, and if you can tell me the right score, you probably know what you're going to score as well. Let's see how good you are in assessing the writing of this person, and that will tell a lot about how you assess yourself. All right, we'll make another part, and I'll update you with Anna's progress.